The 2026 Prelude Crystal Black Pearl here at Tracy Honda. Now this vehicle is going to come with the all-weather mats, the trunk tray, the wheel locks, the clear shield bra, the black emblem package, front body spoiler, logo pattern projector, tailgate spoiler, black wheel locks, and a clear bra. MSRP on the vehicle is $43,195. 44 combined, 46 city, 41 highway. And here it is, the Crystal Black Pearl Prelude. Now I want to show you all the things here. We keep this vehicle locked, so nobody's going to be stepping into your vehicle. There is a Prelude logo projector. Now it's bright out here, so if it was dark, you'd be able to see it just as much as you'd be able to see this kick plate right here. Those are the all-weather mats. Perforated leather, blue stitching, tinted windows, your 19-inch blacked out wheels with the black lug nuts to go. Here is the spoiler there, blacked out badging as well. So the lift is right underneath this end right here. And there you can see the cargo tray. We do have the front license plate kit. If you want us to mount it, let us know. You do have the original carpeted mats. If you don't want the all-weather mats, let us know, and we'll just take those out and put your carpeted mats in. You can find this vehicle here at Tracy Honda, 3450 Auto Plaza Way, Tracy, California, 95304, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., Monday through Saturday, Sundays and holidays. We're here from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Blindside information, LED turn signals, just a great looking vehicle. And then here's the underbody kit, exclusive to you, already done. Now if you want to work something out, you can email me, Tracy Honda Insider at tracyhonda.com. You could also call me 1-888-330-9092. When they get here, we make sure we fully accessorize them, just so when you drive off, there's nothing that you're gonna see on another one that doesn't have any accessories that's gonna make you think of yours. I'm not the smallest individual, but I will tell you, it is a squeeze to get back here, but it is possible. Because you have Bose premium sound system, you're gonna notice speakers throughout the cabin and in the back seat as well. It is quite a tight seat back here. So last time I was in one of these in the 80s, and yeah, fit fine in the back. Now here we are, fast forward 40 years later, and yeah, a little bit difficult to get inside there. So let me just go ahead and put it in accessory mode. I'll show you the rest of this vehicle here. There's your paddle covers. Start the car. There's your graphics, full digital display. If I did start the car, multi-angle backup camera. Turn the car off. Wireless charger, multimedia port, high-speed USB-C, S+, park, reverse, neutral, drive. A lot of vehicle. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to reach out to me, and we'll take care of you on the next video, folks.